Welcome back. This is Willie and Adbeel, and we're here in Vegas for the World of Concrete. Oh my God, it's impressive. It's massive, guys. Like, if you're in the concrete industry, like, you definitely have to come out here. It's insane. Like, there's 3 buildings packed, and then the parking lots all packed with exhibitors, and like, we only have a day.
Yeah.
So we got to get to it.
Here we already see one of the first ones is Sika, which is one of the best companies for.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Let's go. And it's huge.
Yeah.
That's the one we're trying to find.
Yeah, that's the one we're trying to find.
So let's get that going, guys.
Let's go. I'm gonna tell you something though. They're really, like, for the first time that I used one, it was super hard to control.
But hey, when it show up to a 20 by 30 with that machine, finish it off, like, nah.
Oh, cool, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, if you don't lose your clips on your glove.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it a lot.
Yes, good. I like the skirt. It's all from Texas. Yeah, Texas. I like the skirt. Well, thank you a lot. Welcome back.
All of us here at WolfSteel Buildings, thank you. Your support throughout the years has helped us grow, build, and serve hundreds of Texans. And now, as a huge thank you from our pack to you, we're giving away a full 30 by 40 metal building. Yes, you heard that correct. A full 30 by 40 metal building in our selective coverage areas here in Texas. This is our biggest giveaway ever, and you don't want to miss out. Enter now using the link in our bio, and of course, follow us on Facebook for all updates. This is the year to make it happen.
Well, this event is so massive. It has mostly like the North Hall, the West and South Hall all packed. The outside, obviously, for the big ass machinery, it's immense. And obviously, concrete is like the #2 business in the world, right behind water. What are you excited to go check out?
So we're currently right now, the first thing we're gonna go check out is the South Hall, because the South Hall is all about repair and different, I guess, additives you can add in the mix to help you prevent repairs as well. All right, and one of the main spots we want to go check out is Sika, because they make all the newest and craziest things for repair or to make the finishing easier.
Damn.
And I do want to go and because the classes we had yesterday,
Yeah.
I learned a lot about concrete cracking. You know,
Is it fun? I heard
it's a for sure thing. They said concrete cracks, and that's a fact. So there's actually a gauge that I want to go get,
Oh, okay.
and that way we can actually test, because there's you gotta, in order to repair a crack or to figure it out on how to educate your client or anybody, but you gotta find out if it's active or if it's dead, and the gauge helps you out with that.
So I understood that if the crack was kind of like high on the top, upper portion, that's basically a hairline. But if it's structural, it's really the whole thing. Is that the definition of active or not active?
No,
Or no.
definition of active is whenever a crack is opening and closing.
Yeah.
Opening and closing, or if it's just there. But I did think the whole time that a hairline crack wasn't anything, and the structural crack would go all the way down. But no, we've been wrong. I guess there's no such thing as a structural crack. unless it like, because there's no way of
The beam and
there's no way of being structural. You have to determine it in like a crazy way. So, and the way you do that is because it'll never be structural as long as we have our rebar mats.
yeah, because it's
It's lined up unless the rebar stretches to its tensile capacity.
Yeah, capacity.
And then it's structural because now the rebar is warped and it's really flimsy.
That makes sense.
Yeah, then you would want to. You don't even have to cut out a section to repair a crack or anything like that. There's so many ways of repairing. There's so many, and that's what we're about to go see. We're gonna see.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Hey, the whole learning, a whole day yesterday of just learning, I learned so much, man. This event, for anybody that does concrete, like this event is perfect. The training, because I've been to the to like MetalCon and like other events, but this training education classes were extremely good. Like they were really, really good. Like you actually got a lot of value from it. I think it was totally worth it.
Yeah, totally agree with that. I mean, I consider myself the concrete expert, and I learned so much yesterday. So much.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's endless things you can learn.
We ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
What are you checking out here, Willie? Right here, we're checking out some overlays.
They're like concrete repair for overlay.
These are actually the materials that are super slippery, almost like plastic. So you have to mix them with small aggregates like sand so they can have grip on it.
So the interesting part about concrete is like, obviously I come from a metal building world, so it's a whole different world, bro.
Yeah.
Like concrete is a lot about like, it's almost like cooking.
Yeah, a lot of recipes. All the recipes. Yeah. What's the show? The show about the drugs. The one from.
Gordon Ramsay.
No, the one that has Better Call Saul. They're in there in the show. You know which one I'm talking about?
Which
He cooks methane or
Breaking Bad.
Yeah, Breaking Bad. So when I think about concrete, I think about like Breaking Bad. Like you're cooking something, you're creating a product, and so the same thing comes in when we also got to repair. Is selecting the right products, right?
Yep.
Like to fix.
So let me put an example right here for you. This is a crack repair right here. So here they did remember how I was telling you, it's in like an epoxy no sag overlay to seal the crack. And then you put your little pods in there and you're gonna inject it with high pressure PSI. You're gonna inject epoxy in there. So one thing you gotta know about crack repair is that it's not pretty. It's not something cosmetic and it's gonna be ugly, but it's gonna repair.
You know, the way we like to say is like, if you paint yourself,
Yeah.
you're gonna put a lot of like lotions to try to make it nicer.
Yep. Because
It's gonna be sweat. At the end of the day, the scar's always gonna be there.
Yep.
The scar's gonna be there. So, unfortunately, cracks are gonna happen, and that's just the nature of concrete. But just want to make sure that it's not something structural or active. Yeah, what you were saying, right?
Yeah, like we design our slabs if they're gonna crack.
Yeah.
That's why they have rebar. Rebar, that's all rebar is. Rebar is doing nothing. It activates when the concrete cracks.
Yeah, and the rebar is really there to minimize the crack.
Yeah.
Because it's still gonna, right? You guys there to tie it together. Interesting. So this is the product.
Yeah. It's an epoxy over.
Now we need to go and find the
gauge.
The gauge. So this is interesting, but I think this one is where you can integrate a pigment or like a color into your ready mix to produce a color in the concrete.
Right.
I think it's showing the video. Well, not this one, right? But
This is actually a really good brand.
yeah.
We use it. We actually use this one, a patch material that was from this brand on one of our clients, one of our buildings.
Yeah.
And they blended in like the concrete blended in within a couple hours
Dang.
to the old concrete.
You see that little?
Like 10 inches.
You see the little tire?
So you see this?
Yeah.
This little tires, it'll go down and it'll follow a straight line to build socket straight. Now, if you come over here, this is for crack. That makes sense. This one right here, you see these tires? They're designed to follow a crack exactly like you know how they go a little rigid and stuff like that. It's designed to follow it.
To follow it.
Yeah. Thing I wanted to tell y'all is if you do end up doing sockets,
I found this out yesterday that you want to see little ruggedness, like little rocks chipped off, like ugly, like kind of almost ugly, like a socket.
Yeah.
He said the cleaner the socket and the more prettier it looks. That's how you can tell it's already too late and they didn't do it on time and it's not doing anything.
Yeah, because you're supposed to do it within like 12 hours.
Yeah.
That's what I learned.
Yeah.
To do their cut within like 12 hours.
Yep. These right here are diamond blades. Diamond blades. You see a diamond?
Talk to us a little bit about like the blades, like.
So these are grinding.
Oh, those are for the grinding, like for grinding and seal. When we do grind and seal, when we do polished concrete
Or a repair.
or repair, and there's many different types of blades to get a certain accomplish something.
Yeah.
What, like for example, when we do grind and seal, they'll use something like this, and then they keep getting each step. They keep getting smaller and more of these. So they keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and then until it gets that shot.
Oh, you keep swapping them and get smaller and smaller until you get okay. So like when we do grind and seal, we don't just seal with the coating on top.
No.
We actually grind the concrete, take off the top layer, so that way the sealant is actually absorbed.
Yeah, you open up the pores.
So it's not putting anymore, you're just kind of going over and putting something over it.
Oh,
We all got to do that work of like grinding it, and then we seal it, and it will just last a longer.
yeah. It'll last way longer.
Here, what? Compared to just a normal seal.
Oh no, like 10 times.
10
Yeah.
times. Oh.
Yeah, because a normal seal maybe lasts you 2 to 3 years, but a grind and seal opening up the pores, that's gonna last you I'd say a good 15 to 20 years.
Dang.
Here's the sealer.
Yeah.
Here's a densifier, which a lot of people get confused because they think sometimes they're like, hey, I want to densify my concrete or whatever, but it's pretty much it's in one of the steps that we do in polyurea already.
So, hey, Willie, what is this machine?
So these are the huge walk behind grinders. This is what is used to open up your pores in concrete whenever we do any type of coating.
The grind and seal, the polyurea, obviously polished concrete. But then it also has a vacuum, right? So
Yeah, you can connect to an actual vacuum, huge vacuums, like big tanks. That way you can control the dust. But no matter what, you're never going to control it 100%. There's always still going to be a little bit of dust. However, these, if you see right here, they add weights on them too. So you can it can hit harder, like harder. Because of the concrete, the top floor is trowel finish.
yeah,
Like real smooth. It's really close, so it's really hard to open up those pores again.
makes sense. And I know you've been out there, Ed, when they use similar machines to grind and then at the same time trying to suck in, because it will get a lot of dust.
Yeah.
And that's the challenge with like especially when we spray foam, to make sure that it does it. But I think we do a great job, because they do a phenomenal job. They're great partners that does. They're great partners. I think that's what we're great at is we have the best relationships.
Oh yeah.
In my opinion, the best relationship where we align in our values and delivering the product that we want to our clients.
We get it. Starting a new metal building project can feel overwhelming with concrete here, installation there, permits somewhere else. At WolfSteel, we can take that headache away. From site prep to the last screw, we bring every service under one roof here in Texas for Texans, so you can have your metal building without the stress. We handle tubular buildings, red iron weld up and bolt up buildings, permitting assistance, full concrete slabs with site prep, plus any demolition if needed. Concrete coating options, various installation options, a gutter system for your building, custom doors, windows, and even cedar accents if you want a more rustic look. You need more, like mezzanines, balconies, or masonry, we got that too. We do not service outside of our service area, nor provide material or kits only, and our services do not stand alone. We focus on full turnkey Texas metal building projects. WolfSteel is the easy choice. Texans, we've got you covered. If you fall within the service area, contact us today. If not, I hope our channel is helpful for your metal building project.
Guys, check this out. So they're grinding.
It's in there grinding.
Pero están haciendo el digo, el furnace wash. What are they doing here? Polished concrete?
Yeah, we're doing polish. Now, you notice how they get like about 3-4 inches close, and that's gonna be with the hand grinder.
Oh, so this is what this will.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're exposing the pores right here.
So I just during the first couple of days, I get the
You can replace the head, so they're forever. So you replace the little head part, and that's what usually determines if a hammer is no longer good.
oh, that's the head.
Yeah, so you can just keep sticking it. So you buy it once, really expensive, and then you gotta just buy a little head.
Let me get in the line with you. Mira, ahorita te voy a enseñar cómo lo hago.
Good line right here, buddy. You're taking a picture, so I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah, see, easy. There you go.
Dude, I kind of want one. I don't know. I want one. I want one, and I don't need a reason.
Yeah.
So cool. This is a whole pro pretty cool. You know, you see.
No, está perra, es que pizza hand.
Hey, we don't run over this pipe. Do you want to beat? Hey, you gotta keep beat.
And then tomorrow.
I'm gonna record you.
Reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need her mother babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep on falling. There come my seat. The ownership the blue fingers by me. Mr. Get off, I get off at my feet.
What's better we gonna get? Listen.
I got money in the pouch. Jared. You, the walk out. Look beautiful, sit inside your. I walk through, walk out with us.
You should get
That's Willie. The 3D. In the metal building world, the wall. In the concrete world, Milwaukee, the wall, or what?
Marshalltown.
Never heard of that one.
Yes, sir. I guess the only tool we really use that's like the Milwaukee would be tape measures. Tape measures, just little things, levels, whatever, but we don't really use the typical Milwaukee or DeWalt. However, for when we do use something like a power tool, usually it's gonna be the big drills or shipping hammers. And we always prefer Bosch or Makita.
Yep, Molly.
So sick. It's thick. This. Hey, this video is gonna be cool. Like 5, 6, 8 minutes. Yeah, with like good music. This kind of like a good understanding that we're out here to learn. We're out here to learn, and we're not just like, we're not just contractors that don't know what the fuck they're just selling. No, we want to understand. We want to spec out what we want to provide to our clients.